हेलो दोस्तों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज मैं आपके लिए बायोलॉजी का एक टॉपिक पढ़ाने वाली हूँ। उस टॉपिक का नेम है एवोल्यूशन। ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है और बहुत ही ईजी। तो पहले क्रोम खोलें। एवोल्यूशन इन बायोलॉजी, एवोल्यूशन इन बायोलॉजी। Evolution in biology is change in the properties of groups of organisms over the course of generation. It embraces everything from slight changes in the proportion of different forms of gene within a population to the alteration that lead from the earliest organisms to dinosaurs, bees, oaks, and humans. What is evolution in biology? Evolution in biology की definition है: evolution is the process that results in change in the genetic material of a population over time. Evolution reflects the adaptation of organisms to their changing environments and can result in altered genes, novel traits, and new species. What is the simple definition of evolution? Evolution may be defined as any net directional change or any cumulative change in the characteristic of organisms or populations over many generations. In other words, descent with modification. It explicitly includes the origin as well as spread of alleles, variants, trait values, or character traits. What is the best definition of evolution? Evolution consists of changes in the heritable traits of a population of organisms as successive generations replace one another. What is evolution and its types? The four types of evolution and divergent evolution, convergent evolution, parallel evolution, and co-evolution. एवोल्यूशन ये तो हम जानते हैं, एवोल्यूशन के चार टाइप्स हैं: डाइवर्जेंट एवोल्यूशन, कन्वर्जेंट एवोल्यूशन, पैरेलल एवोल्यूशन, and co-evolution. Divergent evolution occurs when a simple species branches off into more than one. Convergent evolution occurs when separate species evolve similar traits due to having existed in a similar environment. What is evolution? With example, from a new Darwin perspective, evolutions occur when there are changes in the frequencies of alleles within a population of interbreeding organisms. For example, the allele for black color in a population of moths becoming more common. Who is the father of evolution? Evolution किसने इन्वेंट किया, यानी कि इसका टॉपिक किसने पढ़ाया? चार्ल्स डार्विन ने। ये एक न्यूट्रलिस्ट है, रेवोल्यूशनरी एंड फादर ऑफ एवोल्यूशन। चार्ल्स डार्विन को फादर ऑफ एवोल्यूशन कहा जाता है। हु फर्स्ट डिफाइन एवोल्यूशन? चार्ल्स डार्विन ने पहली बार एवोल्यूशन को डिफाइन किया। चार्ल्स डार्विन वाज अ ब्रिटिश न्यूट्रलिस्ट हु प्रपोज द थ्योरी ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल एवोल्यूशन बाय नेचुरल सिलेक्शन। चार्ल्स डार्विन ने जो एवोल्यूशन को डिफाइन किया ना, उसे नेचुरल सिलेक्शन के जरिए डिफाइन किया। डार्विन डिफाइन एवोल्यूशन एज डिसेंट विद मॉडिफिकेशन, द आइडिया दैट स्पीशीज चेंज ओवर टाइम, गिव राइज टू न्यू स्पीशीज एंड शेयर अ कॉमन एंसेस्टर। Who defined evolution? Charles Darwin's theory of evolution states that evolution happens by natural selection. Individuals in a species show variation in physical characteristic. Why is it called evolution? Evolution became Darwin. In classical Latin, through evolution had first denoted the unrolling of a scroll, and by the early 17th century, and the English word evolution was often applied to the process of unrolling, opening out, or revealing. What is the introduction of evolution? Evolution can be defined as the change in the genetic makeup of a population over time. It is important to note that the change happens from one generation to the next. Thus, an individual cannot evolve because their genes do not change throughout their lifetime. Who is evolution important? Evolution क्यों important है? Considered by scientists as the central unifying concept of biology. Evolution is a set of complex processes by which population of organisms change over time. Evolution results in genetic adaptation that allow organisms to survive, be healthy, and thrive. What is the main theory of evolution? Evolution is a kind of theory that describes the change in the traits of species of plants, animals, and other living things over generation. The main theory of evolution is Darwinism. Darwinism is the theory of natural selection that was given by Charles Darwin and is considered the main theory of evolution. What is the role of DNA in evolution? A mutation is a change in DNA, the hereditary material of life and organisms. DNA affects how it looks, how it behaves, and its physiology. So, a change in an organism's DNA can cause changes in all aspects of its life. Mutations are essential to evolution. They are the raw material of genetic variation. What are good examples of evolution? These include squirrels, mosquitoes, and other organisms evolving in response to climate change, fish evolving in response to pollutants, bed bugs evolving resistant to pesticide, buzzards evolving in response to predation, clover evolving in response to urbanized landscapes, crickets evolving in response to a parasitic fly. आज हमने ये एवोल्यूशन के बारे में पूरा टॉपिक पढ़ा है। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि मैं आपके लिए आने वाली वीडियो में कुछ खास कर सकूँ। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो।